SoftTech is the leading provider of software for the window and door industry since 1988. We are the trusted provider to 10,000 window and door customers. These include some of the world's largest and most complex businesses. Our software solutions are scalable and customizable to suit even the most complex business for residential, commercial, specialty window and door manufacturers. We have been building and developing window and door software for 30 years, and our latest version is leading edge for the industry. Our software enables manufacturers to design, estimate, and manufacture windows and doors quickly and accurately like never before. Our design module enables businesses to save time and increase productivity. Design it right every time, sell more, and accelerate their business. Estimating is now made easy with our software. It allows users to provide trusted and fast quotes, update quotes as requirements change, quote faster, and close more sales. Our manufacturing module enables businesses to automate their scheduling of staff and equipment and automate their production lines. Schedule your machinery and employees to allow your business to build it on time. Avoid schedule conflicts. Monitor and manage production. Our automation module allows businesses to seamlessly transfer data to the CNC to produce more and waste less, eliminate errors, and throw away their USB drives. SoftTech's latest release has an easy-to-use and intuitive interface that is designed to get your job done faster and more efficiently. New features allow users to browse quotes, optimize glass, and create shop drawings within a few simple clicks. Our latest release is renowned for its ease of creating and setting up frames. This means you can create 3D frame designs in a flash. Training your staff to use our software becomes a breeze with its intuitive and easier-friendly interface. Your staff will be happy to use it. Export your designs to BIM to prevent mistakes and clashes, which will save you time and money. It will also allow you to stay up to date with the latest ways of doing business and provide a competitive advantage. Our software allows you to integrate with ERP, CRM, accounting and manufacturing platforms to further automate your business, saving you time and money. Manufacturers can now design, estimate and manufacture windows and doors faster and more accurately than ever before with SoftTech's latest software. If you want to grow your business and stay competitive in today's market, our leading-edge software can help you achieve this. Don't delay. With SoftTech offices in North America, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, France, Turkey and India, it's easy to get in touch. Visit our website today or talk to one of our friendly staff to find out how SoftTech can help you get more windows out the door.